What could be happening between Matiang'i and Gachagua?
Kororango go to chaya twa kwa nyora bantu barago kaninga haya karatiga tuire ngora because you manyete you can even in a class where you have a class lab you cannot behave like the lecturer or the teacher.
Boundaries must
be
there.
Yes, somebody has to be told no you know we are all students. Besides we are given you to check on our assignments. Yes.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us here at Mokwa Times. My name is Abel Mokwa. Once again, we've been joined by our guest here. That is the aspirant Nyaribari Chache, Member of Parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me welcome Honorable Dr. Joseph Birundu.
Birundu, yes. Asante.
God bless you so much for creating time to be here.
Asante.
I always tell you have a beautiful home.
Oh, thank you.
I love it. And I
Lisa Uma.
This shows that the person who is going to be elected here knows what to do.
Correct.
That's important.
That is why we need to tell them where to go. To correct your monto nyunga yoji komoligi.
At least ndume to sokutoka.
Mujumbe vonsi pia watu atwara na enya cha mwani nsali muino. Monda niga igamata.
Oh, okay.
Na tongi kyogoro moinari.
Okay.
So ntuno tumenyeta onde wensi pio tali anga igobono. Na michoma magega mwega yani.
Onduwensi utaya dia yendi.
Yeah.
Now, I just want to go direct to the content of today. Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i has visited Kuria.
Yes.
Did that mark the beginning of his campaigns?
Yes, you know, this is a continuous process. So it's only the dynamics keep changing.
Okay.
But campaigns actually is a continuous process. You have to prepare yourself and meet the people, have people to be behind you.
Okay.
But then the official campaigns is next year.
It's next year. So bado ni kionja.
Hii ni kupractice, kuangalia vile ground iko.
So for those who are tensed,
yes.
Mambo bado.
Bado. Vile kulia niliona, mambo bado. The spirit is there.
The united opposition. Recently there's been some noise.
Yes.
Exchanges here and there. We heard what Onyonka said at Kuria. We also heard from Gachagua's team. What could be happening between Matiang'i and Gachagua?
Maite siasa na vere igo. Bono manyete mpaka mondago tebie na yo iranelie. Bono no turabu. Tokororango go to chaya twa kwa nyora bantu barago kaninga haya karatiga. Tuire ngora. Because you manyete you can even in a class where you have a class lab. You cannot behave like the lecturer or the teacher.
Boundaries must there.
Yes. Somebody has to be told no. You know we are all students. Besides, we are given you to check on our assignments.
Okay.
Yes.
So things are okay.
Things are okay. We are good. United opposition. Of course, I am not the right person to talk about it.
Okay.
And the people who even spoke, they are more experienced than me.
Yes.
But of course, from where I stand, it might be coming out very fast. But that is how these things are.
All right.
I'm learning. I'm learning from the best. So if that is how it is done, so be it.
From the exchanges, is there a possibility that Gachagua na Matiang'i Matiang'i Kura Central?
You know, Matiang'i is the spirit that got into everybody.
Yes.
So without Gachagua, Matiang'i still has the biggest stake to show that this is what I've done, this is who I am, this is what I want to do for the country. So the other one, is playing not a spoiler, he's playing his cards so that he can be relevant. You have to say niko na mlima, otherwise without it, so what? And do you think everybody, even if we all left, now we have Gachagua against Ruto? Do you think Kikuyus will even vote for Gachagua? So that is the reality. But you can't live in that reality. What I know, and it is coming from the background he has gone through. Okay. He was impeached, he was mistreated, he was done bad things. So he has all the right to fight for himself, to fight for his space, and he's a fighter. But now I think there is the right time to get out of this dance or this fight. Once you have told people this is me, now we are in the phase where we are looking for votes. Don't say huyu ni kidogo, yangu ndio mingi. Hiyo yako ukipewa hiyo milioni 3 utakuwa president kweli? Hata ukipigwa yote.
Lazima kidogo.
You need these small people you are talking about. And don't say you will talk to Kipsigis, they are also a small community. Talk to Masai, they are also a small community. That is exactly what we are saying. That's why we are saying the leader or the champion of these small communities is none other than His Excellency Fred Okengo Matiang'i. He's the one literally taking space for the minority communities, and based on his track record, even the large communities now embrace him more than even our own local places here. You realize is more acceptable across board. Yes. Wende to Western, the same. Wende Central, the same. But if you place Gachagua somewhere in Kisii here, even in Ikuria, nobody will even want to talk to him. Even if you placed him somewhere in Mijikenda, they'll look at him with a different eye.
Yes.
And we are saying we need somebody will appreciate, even if they are in West Pokot, somebody who is in Kwale, some Giriama there.
Some nationalism.
The national face. But day in, day out, Mulima, no, I think there is a mismatch. But we need every player. Okay. And I think he's playing number 6. We had a number 5, there, the defense.
The defense.
Yeah, and our candidate is at number 10. We are likely to score this thing.
Itakuwa scored.
Kabisa.
You've been to Matiang'i to many places, especially Central and many other parts. I've seen that.
Yes, yes.
From your assessment, what is the support? How does the support look like?
Oh, yeah, very good, and it has not changed. I can't say it has changed for whatever way. Even in Central Province, I live a lot. I've lived there for many years myself. Around Thika, Luiru, those places embrace Matiang'i more than they can even embrace Gachagua. Okay. You know, there is the forced embracing and the natural embracement. Yes. So I expect his support actually. You know, some places you even wonder, these people love Matiang'i more than even some of these people are speaking from his tribe. Some of these people love him so much.
Why is that? Why is the love?
He has done a lot of things in this country. Okay. Yeah, Fred is somebody who has grown through different systems. Sure. He was a student of Mzee Nyachai. Mzee Nyachai was the longest serving provincial commissioner, head of public service, and many other good credentials. That student grew up to become a minister. That student grew up to put our community together all through the years. I think this is the right time he can expand this one to the rest of the country, and which he's doing. He has done that over 10 years, different ministries, total change. And I was sharing, someone who was telling me that Matiang'i has worked both locally, nationally, and international. Perfect. So he has... Huyu hata mimi ni mwanafunzi wake na mimi local niko national, tuko international.
The local level,
mimi ni mwanafunzi wake from 202. Hata mimi ni mwanafunzi ndio nataka kupanga hapa Nyaliva alichache tuone kama vitu akishika huko juu
na umeshikilia huko.
Mimi hapa chini tutakuwa tumenyorosha kazi.
From your assessment, you know right now the biggest thing that people are waiting for nationally from the united opposition is the announcement of the flag bearer. From your observation, when do you think this should happen, the announcement? This year or next year?
You know, there are many dynamics that can come in between. Okay. So we better have this done next year. Even Ilaila, when they were putting everybody together over the 3-4 elections that have followed, he was waiting until the last minute. Yes. Largely because, you know, the people you are fighting, again, they might interfere with the other candidates that have been locked out. Okay. They might change the dynamics. And many things can happen. So I think next year is the correct timing.
It's the correct timing.
But whichever, even if it is tomorrow, next year, or whatever, sisi tuko hapo nyuma ya Matiang'i. Mahali hawatampatia tuko less. Sisi tuko kwa ballot.
Debe,
we can't listen to anything. Yeah. Where I stand, and if I'm the one to advise him, hakuna kitu tunasikiza. Ballot zihesabiwe, tushinda alafu tumalize kazi.
In Kuria, we saw the Linda Mwananchi team from the Gusii region has joined Matiang'i once again in the campaigns. Are they back?
No, they never left. They, you know, there is that confusion that was in between. You know, Linda Mwananchi was a vuguvugu,
Yes.
bringing together those that were not handled well in ODM. But again, as much as it was that vuguvugu, and which started mutating into a structured engagement party, and there are issues they are trying to sort. The moment there is a mention of a presidential candidate, which is, we welcome that, but the understanding is from their Western, he comes out as a Western candidate. It's also a way of mobilizing our votes. Hao wengine ukifika pale ukiona hapa kumekuwa na presidential candidate, hiyo huwezi leta hapa. Kisii tulifunga. Ile wameanza kusema kila mahali umefunga. Hii hata ilifungwa kitambo.